Assalamualaikum children. How are you today? I hope you are doing fine at home with your family. Okay children, before we start our class, let's recite doa penerang hati and doa waktu pagi first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma aftah alaina hikmataka wa insyura alaina min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Rabbi shrahli sadri wa yassirli amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'a wa rizqan thayyiba wa amalan mutaqabbala. Amin. Children, do you want to sing with teacher? Let's sing together. 1, 2, 3. Bangun pagi, gosok gigi, cuci muka, terus mandi, pakai baju, minum susu, pergi sekolah, senang hati. Okay, let's do revision on numbers. This is 0. This one is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 3. This is number 4. 5. This is number 6. This one is number 7. Number 8. This one number 9. And the last one number 10. Can we count together? Okay, now let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, all together we have 10 balls. For letter art activity, you need to make card for letter K. Use the materials given to make kite like this. Okay children, now follow teacher. K for kite. K, kite. Okay, now let's move to bahasa Melayu. K. K bunyi ke. Kakakku ketawa, ke. Kakakku ketawa, ke. Kakakku ketawa, ke. Kakakku ketawa, ke. For nursery program book number 2, turn to page 19. You need to trace number 5. Okay, count with teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, take your color pencil. You need to trace, you need to follow the arrow. Okay, this is number 5. Okay, now let's learn about transport. This is aeroplane. This is a car. What's color of the car? Red in color. This is sailboat. This is motorcycle. Repeat after teacher. Motorcycle. This is bus. Repeat after teacher. Bus. This is train. How is the sound of train? Choo-choo. Choo-choo. That's all for today. Please complete your work at home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Take care, stay safe. Bye.